This is my dad plowing the garden. It's the Sears 1977 Sears 18.6. It's a little wet, but it's not wet enough. It's fine. There's the tractor. We'll try to get you pretty close. Try to get you some shots from here. Look at that. He's doing really well. Look how straight that is. He went a little off there. We'll try to get some of them coming. There's the tractor. It's a little grassy in here, but he's really doing really good. I begged him to use my Sears 10.6, but he said mine wasn't fluid-filled tires, so we'll try to let you watch a little more.
Here is the final result of plowing the garden. Yesterday evening I got the chipper out. I had 5 bags of leaves and I ran those into the top part up there, and that patch there, the leaves were so wet that it was just clogging up my chipper, so I just threw them in there, and I think just till them in will be fine. I've got to pick some sticks out, and I've got 2 barrels almost plumb full of compost that's getting ready to go in, and then I will till this in and get my seed into the ground. So tomorrow, it's Friday evening now, tomorrow Saturday morning, it's supposed to be pretty, I think. I'm going to get the tiller out and till this up and get some seed planted. This will be the first year in the 10-12 years I've been gardening that I've gotten seed in the ground before June 1st, and that's because we're leaving for a trip on June 1st, so I got to get this done. All right, more later.
This is the going to but here's where he's plowed. And now he's pulling it. The pulling's going pretty good. It's going pretty good.
All right, got seed in the ground today, and by the time I got it planted, about an hour later, got a nice little shower. I got to go through and pick out rocks. Every year I go through and try to pick a bucket of rocks out. Got 2 mounds of squash there. On the other end, I've got some okra and some broccoli, half a row of corn, some green beans up top, greens and corn down at the bottom. I keep a notebook and I record what I plant where so I can try to rotate my crop. So here's to another season of gardening.